Now, the first step is that we have to set up our local environment. So let's see how we can set up our local environment so we can run our Laravel application and manage our database. So let's open Google, and in here you have to type Laravel, then select the first link that appears. After that, go to developers and select documentation. Then in the installation section, we have a title with the name of installing PHP and the Laravel installer. Click this. It will take you to this part. Now in here, they said that we have to have PHP and Composer installed in our machine. So let's go back to Google and type XAMPP. XAMPP is a free and open source web server which is used to run our application and manage our database. So let's click XAMPP installer and download. Now click download again and select the latest version of XAMPP. I am going to install version 8.2.12. So let's click download 64-bit. Now let's wait until the download is start. Once the XAMPP has been downloaded, now we have to install it. So let's install the XAMPP in our local machine. Once the installation is finished, now let's run the application and click the start of Apache and MySQL. So they have been started. Now let's minimize them and let's go back. Now let's install the Composer. So let's open the Google again, and in here let's type Composer and select the first link. Let's click the download in here as well, and composer setup.exe. Okay, it has been downloaded. Now let's install the Composer as well. Install for all users. Yes. Next. 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 Okay. So we have installed PHP and also we have installed Composer. In here, one more thing we need is to manage our database. For that, I am going to use MySQL Workbench. So let's download that also. MySQL Workbench. Let's download this one as well. Download now. Let's download. Now let's install this one as well. Okay, let's open this one as well. Close this. Okay. For now, all the application that we need for our backend is everything is done. Now let's go in here for our front end. We also need Node and npm. So we are going to install this one and download the Node.js also. Okay, let's download this one, install this one as well. Now, finally, to all the tools that are required to run our Laravel application is done, but we also need an IDE to edit our codes. So for that, I'm going to use VS Code. You can use any IDE that you like or prefers, but I prefer VS Code because it's lightweight and faster and also have a lot of extensions that we can use. So I'm going to use VS Code. So let's type VS Code and install, download this one, download for Windows. Now let's install this. Okay, our base code has been installed successfully. Okay, our base code has been installed successfully. Now let's install Laravel extension in this VS Code. So let's go here and install Laravel, the official extension. So let's type here Laravel and let's scroll down. Okay, this is the official Laravel extension which will help us in our development process. So let's install this one. Another extension that I need is PHP extension. So let's search for that also. Okay, this is the extension that I am going to use. Install this one also. I already installed it. So you have to also use this. So these are the extension that we are really need in this project, in our Laravel project. The rest extension is, all of them are up to you which extension you are going to install. As you guys can see in here, I have many extension for any use cases. So the rest are all up to you. Now we are ready to create our first Laravel project.